Here at Formula Honda, we have a Drive Shield certified 2019 Toyota Corolla LE. Here's a quick look at the exterior of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at some of the features inside. Starting with the driver's side door, this vehicle has power locks and windows with an automatic driver's side window. On the dashboard we have power mirrors and heated steering wheel. This vehicle also has a sunroof up top and seats 5 passengers with 2 seats in the front and 3 seats in the back. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls. It has AM and FM radio stations, CD player, USB and auxiliary inputs, Bluetooth audio, power climate controls down below, and heated seating, as well as many more great features.